I'm Ramez. I have a master in bioinformatics, but I started with the ReDI school in Java, Java Backend, actually. What we did in this semester about learning Java, but what precisely in Java? Java Backend. What we see here, the back is not as handsome as the front. That's why we will not see much of the codes that we have written during the classes. During the class, we have learned about inheritance, about interfaces. Inheritance is one of the main pillars of object-oriented programming language, which Java is. We have also learned about Hibernate. Most of us who is not familiar with the programming maybe know Hibernate as leaving the computer the way it is, and when we start from the point we ended up. But in Hibernate, it's something else. In Java, Hibernate is something else, and we went through this. It organizes our programming. We also went through many of the useful tools that we use in programming, such as Spring, REST, unit testing, which is very important when we write our programs. So we make sure that we are writing correctly the code, and we try to test it step by step, that depending on the test type. We followed like project-based approach in learning, doing different projects. We did not do only one project, but we did different ones. For instance, we did a library that we can organize our library, what books are currently available in the library, what are already borrowed, or something like that. We have the timesheet management. If an employee assign his attendance in the company, for instance, his manager should approve it so he can be paid, which is the most important. We also had a project about warehouses and the stocks available in the warehouses. We're not showing the codes because it's ugly to show in presentation. One of the main projects that we did, one is about banking with different account types, and the other one is about organizing school and courses. And we see here that what we see here in the interface could look nice, but there's someone in the backyard doing all the job to maintain everything nicely and smoothly. We thank you very much for your attendance.
Let's go for the questions, please. That's nice. The banking part was the best. Very cool. Questions so far? Come on. Yes. Whoa, in one time.
I had a master in, as I'm here to talk about Java Backend, I'll give very short notice about bioinformatics, which is using the IT and programming languages to deal with the biological and genetic information, do some research, especially nowadays it's very important in cancer research, in developing new antibiotics, new medicines to help people fight against diseases. But I'm available after the presentation, so if you want more information, I will be glad to give you.
Thank you. Another question? Second one. Up here I saw two hands. Now, where's the second hand?
Same question.
No. Okay, I have a question. Yeah, okay. Sorry, thank you. Thank you so much.
Of all the projects you worked on, which one was your favorite one? Why?
It's about the banking because it's about money. No, actually, because it's one of the most complicated and sophisticated in our project. I'm not saying that we did something supernatural or something like that, but it was very useful for us to understand different steps, different components of this object-oriented programming language. So it was very important for me.
Thank you so much. Big applause, please. What is this person? Huh? You can give him a greetings from me, okay?
Sure. And of course, for the presentation, I thank very much TK and the whole team for what they did for us.
Yes, of course, with the teachers also. You can give applause. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have a question. Who knows who is Majid and Marisia?